Right, so this question, we're looking at determinant and how we could find missing values given that the matrix is a singular matrix. A singular matrix is one whose determinant is equal to 0, right? So part A says write down the determinant of M. So this could be written either as DTM, or sometimes you would see M in between these two lines. Right, now if we equate this to being A, B, C, D, then the determinant is A by D minus B by C. Right, so our A value is 2, our D value is X. Our B value is 3, and our C value is -1. So we get 2X. 3 by -1, we give them a -3, but don't forget we have this negative sign here, so we're going to get a +3. This is our answer for part A. You can't go any further, cannot simplify it anymore. That is the answer. For part B, M is singular. Was a singular matrix. What this means? Its determinant, this, is equal to 0. So if M is equal to 0, then 2X plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? Move this 3 across here. You get -3. Notice I put back everything here, right? 0 minus 3 is going to give a -3, not 0. X is going to be equal to -3 divided by 2. Right? So X is -3/2. Or if you want to write it as -1.5 or 1.5, that will also be correct. Okay?